Hey, this is Jeff with Miller's RV, and today I'm answering the question, why is my RV battery dead? Hey, before we get started, please do me a favor, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell to let you know when new content comes out, like and comment anything you have, any ideas you want for new videos. For example, this is a comment we've got on a previous video that wanted to answer, why is my RV battery going dead? Well, RV batteries, again, the question kind of depends on what kind of RV, because if it's a motorhome, you're gonna have two battery systems, one for your engine and one for your house. If it's a trailer, you're just gonna have the house system. Typically, the engine system doesn't have too many problems. If it does, we do wanna make sure and get some kind of either a charger on it, because they do sell a trickle charge, some things we can do that, or a disconnect you can put on the engine battery, chassis battery as well. But let's just talk about the house battery right now. Most RVs will have some kind of disconnect for your house battery system. A lot of them will have an electronic when you walk in the door for a lot of motorhomes. So it'll be a system that has a solenoid located inside of the battery compartment, and inside the door you'll have a button that says aux battery or coach battery or house battery with an on-off switch. Sometimes you'll have two of those there, one for chassis and one for house on a motorhome. Now, a lot of trailers instead will have a different kind of switch. They might have a big Perco switch like this, or one of these ones that has a little key. If you don't have a unit, for some reason does not have a battery disconnect and you would like to add it, that's certainly something that can be done and can be added to your unit. If you don't have anything, we can always go with one of just the old school blade fuses that will lift up, and these will just simply attach to the battery. You can lift out the blade and be able to use your battery to disconnect it, and whenever you start using it again, you can plug it in. So one other question in regards on this is, should I leave my RV plugged in? If you do leave your RV plugged in, it'll keep your batteries from running down, but you do also want to make sure that you maintain the water in your batteries so that your batteries are well maintained. Most RV batteries are not going to be maintenance free, so they are going to be a lead acid battery you have to add water to. You can always go with an AGM battery, which has less maintenance, and the new battery chargers, most of the new converters are actually a 3-stage charger, which we'll cover in another video, but it is an important way to keep and maintain your batteries for the long part. So anyway, I hope this video helps you answer the question, why are my batteries going dead and what can I do about it? Again, this is Jeff at Miller's RV, helping you enjoy the journey. Thanks so much for watching. I know you don't have anything else to do, so check out one of these other videos. Enjoy the journey.